边窜天，垃圾箱上持续冒出火光，还有人拿出灭火器来试图灭火。这混乱的场面出现在美国的明尼苏达州，艾斯特宫在3个星期内第2度枪杀老百姓，让明尼苏达又陷入混乱。 艾斯加大镇压力度，甚至不惜敲破车窗，直接从车里逮人，甚至直接把抗议者铐上手铐带走。
They will kill me if you let this happen. Help me! I am going home.
警方在现场狂丢催泪瓦斯，要抗议民众赶快回家。
You okay? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. It's okay. I can't. I can't breathe. I can't.
美联社记者甚至戴上护目镜、防毒面罩，全副武装来到现场连线。
Agents are deploying tear gas, flashbang grenades, trying to disperse the crowd that is gathered, and people are chanting, "Go home, Nazis."
和棚内连线的 CNN 主播其实也在抗议现场，不过他却因为吸入催泪瓦斯，在电话中不断咳嗽，导致连线一度中断。就算隔着镜头，也能感受到现场肃杀气氛。
How many more bodies do we have to have in the state of Minnesota? How many more?
Second murder of a resident of Minnesota. One is enough going to be enough. Minnesotans have spoken loud enough that ICE needs to leave Minnesota right now.
明尼苏达紧张持续升温，当地人的怒火随着第2名死者出现再度沸腾。TVBS 新闻综合报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。